So what's up, heavy hitters? What's up? What it is, guys? So today I feel like I have to teach you guys how to play Mwari, Zuva, Redu. I know it's a hymn that a lot of people really wants to play, and let me just break it down for you. And yeah, let's enjoy. Let's have fun. I'm going to sing first and play, and then I will just break it down to you real quick. So I'm going to play in the key of F sharp. So I know a lot of you guys love to play in this key. So here we go. Muri, Zuva, Redu, Rino Penya, Pauzuru, Asimwea, Okay, so what I just did here, since we are in the key of F sharp, so the first note is 1, which is F sharp. So we're going to play F sharp like this. So F sharp, if you don't know, it's the first black key on a set of 3 keys. So like 3, 2, 3, 2. So here we've got your F sharp. You can just play in any version. So Mwari, Muri, just keep on holding that. Zuva, Redu, and then you go to your 5th. So your 5th, it's C sharp, F, and G sharp, which is the 5th note in the key of F sharp. So no penya, we go to the 2. So number 2 is the middle note, which is between the set of 3 notes here. So it's G sharp. So it's G sharp, B, and E flat. I don't know if I'm going too fast, guys. I know I don't have too much time like to brush through it. So this is the second note here. Then we go back to 1. Just like stay on 1. Then you go to your 4. So your 4 is B, E flat, or let's say D sharp, since we're using the term F sharp here, and F sharp. So this is the note here. So I love to add a 9 here, and then a 7, so that I get like a full sound in the full chord. And usually I can do like a passing note before I come to my 4. So it's like, so I can like literally play like an E, and then go to 5. And then back to 1. So and a quick 5 bar, back to 5. Remember 5 C sharp, F, and G, and then the part is gone. Traditional walk, you know, gospel. And then like I do this famous movement where I'm going to play like a 2 major. This is like a passing note. Instead of 2 minor, just 2 minor major, I mean going to the 5. So that's it, guys. Have fun, learn. So a quick rundown. The first chord, which is number 1, F sharp, and then the next chord is number 5, which is C sharp major, and then the 3rd chord is number 2, which is G sharp minor, and then we go back to 1, and then 4, which is B major, B, D sharp, and F, and then back to 5. And then 1. So just a quick bonus, I'm just gonna give you a lick here. It's E flat, okay, Okay, let's use D sharp rather. D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, and A natural, G sharp, F sharp, and then back to D sharp. It's just an E flat blues or D sharp blues scale. You just incorporate it in your playing. So guys, have fun and see you